Welcome, Power Rangers. This promises to be a momentous occasion. You are about to meet the newest member of your team. And now, my friends, I present to you the White Ranger. Welcome, White Ranger. The time has come to reveal your identity.
Guess who's back?
I don't believe it. What's up, man? Ah, you look good.
Thanks, man.
We didn't know who it was gonna be. I mean,
We were all hoping it would be you, especially Kimberly.
Speaking of Kimberly, hey, beautiful. It's time to wake up.
I don't believe it.